At its widest point, 38 inches wide. The dip handles extend 14 inches from the main body of it. The upper supports here, 21 inches apart from each other. From the bottom to the dip handles, it's 40 inches. The whole thing extends at its lowest point at 65 inches, and you can extend all the way up to 82 inches. So that'll give you an idea, hopefully, of what the size of it. It supports up to 330 pounds, 8 adjustment levels for height. The box itself that it comes in, the whole thing weighs about 30 pounds. I like this thing a lot. It's light, it's good. It's perfect for what I need. Simple, not overly complicated. It doesn't take too long to assemble. And yeah. Yeah, I'm using tire tubes to kind of cushion these grips a little bit better. And I'm also using gloves because this texture sort of irritates my hand, So I'm just using an old tire tube I cut and I put it over it to help cushion a little bit. I did the same thing with the top up here. Old bicycle tire tube. Because this kind of irritates my hand a little bit, the texture of the grips. And for the price I paid for this thing, like $80, I can't complain. Got my resistance bands on here. You could do some, pull down exercises. Yeah, these are the adjustment screws for the, these uprights here. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just unscrew, and what I do is I put my foot down here to hold the whole thing in place while I move the bar up or down, whatever you want to do. So the whole thing just doesn't fall over. Even though it's on carpeting, this isn't deep carpeting. This is, it's not really deep carpeting. I could exercise on here. It doesn't really move around. But thick carpeting, I wouldn't recommend. But this kind of carpeting, it's not really that deep. So it works on this. It says I have no choice. My whole place is carpeted here. But for what it is, I can't complain. It works really well. Get a good workout with this thing.